Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to find wallet address on Paxful. So in order to locate or find the wallet address on Paxful, what you have to do is you just have to follow the steps. First of all, what you need to do is you just have to go ahead and log in into your Paxful account. So when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you just have to go ahead and press the accounts button, or you could go to wallet tab. When you press the wallet tab, then on the following page you should be able to see your current balance, all of that information. And to find the wallet address, click the receive button and then enter the asset that you wish to find the wallet address for, or select the asset. And when you've done that, you'll be able to find the link as well as the QR code, whichever is convenient for you. Select that and you'll have successfully found or locate the wallet address on Paxful. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.